kids, I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start chapter. So read and enjoy.
Chapter 7 The Aeroplane. Read and enjoy. Look at the aeroplane up in the sky. Seems like a giant lark soaring on high. See, on its outspread wings flashes the light. There sits the pilot brave, guiding its flight. Hark! What a whirring sound comes from its throat. Full of the engine, it's only a note. Now, high and higher yet, upward it goes, till but a tiny speck, giant heaven it shows. Oh, here it is again, big as before, gracefully gliding down to earth once more.
I hope you enjoyed this chapter. We will meet in the next chapter. Thank you so much.